Need to figure out what your monthly mortgage payment will be before you buy a home? Let me show you how with the mortgage payment calculator. Head over to the mortgage payment calculator at foundthetool.com. The form is simple, just a handful of fields, and you'll have your answer in seconds. Let's say you're looking at a home priced at $400,000. Click the home price field and type that in. Now enter your down payment. We'll put down $80,000. That's 20%, which is a common target to avoid private mortgage insurance. Next, enter the interest rate. We'll use 6.75% for this example. Finally, choose your loan term. We'll go with the most common option, 30 years. The calculator instantly shows your estimated monthly payment. For a $320,000 loan at 6.75% over 30 years, that comes out to about $2,100 per month. You can copy the result, share a link with these exact numbers, or download the full amortization data as a spreadsheet using the buttons right here. Scroll down and you'll see a complete amortization table, every single monthly payment broken out into principal and interest, so you can see exactly how your loan pays down over time. Want to compare a 15-year term instead? Just switch the loan term and the payment updates instantly. Shorter term, higher payment, but you save a ton in interest. Give it a try with your own numbers at foundthetool.com. The mortgage payment calculator is completely free, no sign-up required.